Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to retrieve your save data from the PlayStation Plus cloud and put that save data back onto your PlayStation. Now, there are a variety of reasons why this would be helpful, but the one that is probably the most common, and is my case, is that the hard drive in my PlayStation was corrupted. It was giving me an error saying that I had to boot in safe mode, and I ended up having to reinitialize the system, essentially wipe the hard drive completely clean and start all over. Now, in the process of doing that, I lost all the games that I had downloaded from the PlayStation Store, and I lost all my save data. Fortunately, I was a PlayStation Plus member, and one of the perks to being a PlayStation Plus member, along with the free games that they give you every month, is the cloud storage. Essentially, PlayStation will take your save data off your hard drive and store it on their hard drives in the cloud. And so if for some reason something happens to your PlayStation, you can retrieve that save data. And it's actually not too hard to do, so let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Now we're just going to go ahead and power on our PlayStation like normal and get to our welcome screen here. Once we're in the welcome screen, we are going to go ahead and scroll up and over to our settings. Now we're going to come down in our settings menu to Application Saved Data Management. And if you are not a PlayStation Plus member, this is probably not the screen you see. You're probably locked out of some of these options that have the yellow plus next to it. But if you are a PlayStation Plus member, then you should be able to access them. And so you can see here the second option down says Saved Data in Online Storage. We're going to go ahead and select that. Download to System Storage. And here you can see I've got a variety of save data that is in the cloud ready for me to download. Some of these games I purchased hard copies of. Some of them were the free games of the month for being a PlayStation Plus member. But you can go ahead and select the save data that you want to retrieve. And then you can go through and see we've got backups throughout the game here. If I wanted to retrieve something specific, I could, a specific save point. Or if I wanted all the data just to be safe, I can go over here to the right, click Select All, and come to Download. And now it's downloading all that data from the cloud to my PlayStation. So in this case, it was the Spider-Man game we were playing, and it took me to the beginning, had no save data. After this is done downloading, I should be able to go in, put in the Spider-Man disc, boot it up, and continue from where I left off. Again, this only really applies if you have the PlayStation Plus. Unfortunately, if you are not a PlayStation Plus member, then you don't have this cloud storage. But in the description, we will show you some other ways that you can back up your data using a USB drive and doing it manually. And hopefully that will help you if you don't want to shell out the $40 to $50 a year to be a PlayStation Plus member. Hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments what question you guys have. I would love to help. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.